Tesla Solar Roof Powerwall. The Tesla Powerwall is a rechargeable lithium-ion battery stationary home energy storage product manufactured by Tesla Energy. The Powerwall stores electricity for solar self-consumption, time of use load shifting, and backup power. The Powerwall was introduced in 2015 with limited production. Mass production started in early 2017 at Tesla's Giga, Nevada factory. As of May 2021, Tesla has installed 200,000 Powerwalls. Tesla Energy also offers larger battery energy storage devices, the Powerpack, intended for use by businesses, and the Megapack, intended for electrical grid use. Tesla Solar. How do Solar Roof and Powerwall work? While Elon Musk's electric vehicle company Tesla is known for its cars and Cybertrucks, the company is also a player in the household energy game. Tesla offers a solar panel and battery system, which in keeping with the company's style are sleek and efficient in design and performance. The Tesla Solar Roof is a fully integrated solar panel system, offering tiles that the company touts as being 3 times stronger than traditional roof tiles, while the Tesla Powerwall provides a backup system to power homes with solar systems. While one can operate without the other, Tesla, of course, designed the products to work in collaboration. We've broken down how both the Tesla Solar Roof and Powerwall work so you can decide if either, or perhaps both, could suit your household energy needs. Tesla Solar Roof. Panels with style. The Tesla Solar Roof introduced a new way to bring solar power into the home when it was launched back in 2016. Rather than installing a number of solar panels onto the roof of a home, Tesla decided to turn each individual roof shingle into a solar panel. Made with tempered glass that the company says is 3 times stronger than traditional roof panels, each panel acts as a solar array while in turn replacing the roof of your home. Due to the fact Tesla is, in essence, replacing the entire roof of your home with their solar panels, the solar roof can be an expensive investment. Although the product has experienced a difficult launch so far, Tesla earlier this year announced a renewed focus on delivering the product to customers. In a new strategy, the company is currently only offering the solar roof to customers in the US who order the system in conjunction with a Powerwall battery. Tesla Powerwall Power Storage. Solar panels reach their maximum efficiency when you are able to store the energy they generate and use it at all hours of the day. While there are a number of battery systems available, Tesla's own Powerwall is a modern and compact option to store your solar power for later usage. The Powerwall provides a versatile option for battery storage, with the ability to mount on a wall or floor, both indoor and outdoor. Multiple Powerwalls can be installed to work in conjunction, or you can rely on just one of the units, which feature a 13.5 kWh capacity. Earlier this year, Tesla announced an upgrade to the Powerwall battery, and thus the names Powerwall 2 or Powerwall Plus have been more frequently used to describe newer iterations of the product. While the newer Powerwall systems still feature the same capacity, they are able to charge and discharge more effectively. Customers are able to pair the Powerwall with the Tesla app to view and manage the storage and operation of their battery at any time of the day, with the ability to control the system from within the app. Installing a Tesla Solar Roof and Powerwall. How does it compare with traditional solar panels? Tesla has a unique ability to get media attention and cause hype around its products. This is not only true for their electric vehicles, but also their solar roof shingles and Powerwall. Unlike a traditional solar panel system, the Tesla Solar Roof has photovoltaic cells built into the shingles. There are no visible panels, and many homeowners prefer this appearance. There are many home batteries in the market, but the Powerwall has some of the best specifications, especially the new Tesla Powerwall Plus. If you are trying to decide between traditional solar panels or a solar roof, each option has pros and cons. You can use home batteries in either case, which means your decision will not affect the availability of energy storage. Read on, and we will compare both options with a simplified example. Accurate pricing is only possible with a professional assessment of your home, but the numbers below can give you a general idea of what to expect. Using a Tesla Solar Roof and Powerwall. Since solar shingles also act as a roof, they are more expensive than solar panels. Unless your home has a very simple roof design, you can expect to pay over $6,000 per kilowatt of capacity. Economically, this can make sense if you're building a new home or replacing a damaged roof. There are cases where you have to pay for a new roof anyway. On the other hand, if you want to maximize your ROI and have no plans to change your roof, traditional solar panels make more sense financially. Assuming a price of $6,000 per kW, a 10 kW Tesla solar roof would cost you around $60,000. Add the $10,500 Powerwall, and the total project cost increased to $70,500. Compared with the previous example, this project is 76% more expensive while having the same capacity. Tesla offers a discount for buying multiple Powerwalls, which is useful in larger homes with a higher project budget. A single unit costs $10,500, but the unit price decreases if you buy more. 2 Powerwalls for $17,000, $8,500 each. 3 Powerwalls for $23,500, $7,833 each. 4 Powerwalls for $30,000, $7,500 each. A Tesla solar roof also gets the 26% federal tax credit, but you cannot deduct it from the whole price. Since you're paying for a new roof, you can only consider solar generation components when deducting the tax credit. The exact calculation depends on your roof design, but the tax credit will be comparable to that of a traditional solar panel system with similar capacity. Instead of getting a $15,600 tax credit, 26% of $60,000, the value will be closer to the $7,800 we estimated in the previous example. The Powerwall can get the full 26%, $2,730, as long as it charges only with the solar roof and not with the grid. With these assumptions, the tax credit is roughly $10,530 and the net cost is $59,970. How is the Powerwall Plus better than the normal Powerwall? The Tesla Powerwall and Powerwall Plus both have a usable storage capacity of 13.5 kW, a round-trip efficiency of 90%, and 100% depth of discharge. However, the Powerwall Plus has a higher power rating, which means it can supply electricity to more devices at once. Power output Powerwall Plus continuous power 5 kW on-grid, 7.6 kW with peak sun, 5.8 kW without sun, off-grid, 9.6 kW with peak sun, 7 kW without sun. Peak power 7 kW off-grid, 22 kW with peak sun, 10 kW without sun. The Powerwall Plus has a built-in inverter, while the normal Powerwall needs an external one. The additional features of the Powerwall Plus also make it heavier and slightly larger. The Powerwall Plus has a weight of 343.9 lb, while the normal Powerwall weighs 251.3 lb. Both Powerwall types are smart devices, which means they can optimize their charging and energy supply to maximize your power bill savings. Final thoughts. The Tesla Solar Roof is an alternative to conventional solar panel installations, combining the photovoltaic cells and roof shingles into a single product. If you have no plans to replace your roof and want to maximize your financial returns, the best option is using normal solar panels. On the other hand, if you need a new roof for a new construction or major renovation, the Tesla Solar Roof combines 2 installations in one. However, you should still get quotes for both options to make the best decision. The Tesla Powerwall is one of the best home batteries available, but starting from April 2021, you can only purchase it in a bundle with a Tesla Solar Roof or conventional solar panels. If you want to add a battery to an existing solar installation, you can consider other leading battery brands.